While vacationing in Umbria, Italy, outside the town of Todi, we had the opportunity to have Laura come to our villa and prepare several meals.
Lei mi ha detto, ma che gran cazzata.
Laura is steeped with the Umbrian culture and has a passion for the Umbrian cuisine. Tonight we're going to help and watch Laura prepare homemade pasta with cherry tomato sauce, pork cheeks in sage and vinegar, and peaches for dessert. But wait, let me have Paola tell you exactly what we're going to have.
Ok, allora, thinly sliced barbazza. Barbazza is a typical seasoned pork cheek.
Guanciale.
Guancia is a sort of, it's a little bit lower than the cheek, is this, because it's very soft. So we don't use pancetta bacon.
Yep.
Cioè, we can use pancetta, but for us it's a lower level. Pancetta, higher level is the cheek because it's softer. Even better is this. Barbazza comes from the bird. Pork cheek, which is prepared and cooked with wine vinegar in a pan and flavored with sage. So that's our antipasto. Poi we will prepare strangozzi, which is handmade pasta, typical from this area, made only by using wheat flour and water. So poor, because in the past here it was an agricultural place, no eggs, nothing, just wheat flour and water and a little bit of salt.
Okay.
So you will see this pasta, which is a little bit rough, just to absorb the sauce. Let it absorb the sauce.
The old.
And then will be prepared with a sauce of tomatoes and of course olive oil and a little bit of garlic and basil. Of course, Parmesan cheese on top. E poi the dessert is made with fruits. Umbria, our region, is completely different from Naples, Sicily. They use completely different cakes and desserts. We use a lot of fruit, cioè what comes from the land. We are using peaches. So peaches cooked in a pan with dessert, red wine, flavored with lemon peel, lemon herb, sugar, cinnamon.
Oh, sounds wonderful.
So every time Laura came out to do this, she started with the dessert.
Facciamo fare tutto?
Sì,
So we wait until all
Così
the butter melts down.
Se facciamo 10-12, sono 6
6 peaches, 2 spoons of sugar, some cinnamon,
Ecco una spolverata
just
un po'.
a little bit.
Un po' questo.
And then this is a sweet wine. It's used
It's
for
just-
cakes.
Yeah. Ecco, piano piano.
Putting peaches upside down.
Oh.
She is
Squeezing
squeeze everything
from the
and use all the
Juice.
juice and the pulp.
ci vorrebbe un setaccio per arrivare al...
After retrieving as much of the juice and the pulp from the pits or the stones, Laura then squeezed half a lemon into the pan, including the half a lemon itself, and then garnished with an herb of which we are not sure what it was, but it was of a citrus flavor and smell. With the peaches Covered and off the fire to cool to room temperature, Laura starts in on the sauce for the pasta. The sauce is relatively simple: sliced up cherry tomatoes, olive oil, and garlic. The key to this sauce is once the tomatoes start to wilt, turn the fire off and move the pan away from the heat and let the tomatoes steep in the olive oil.
So now we are going to prepare
Questo è molto
the
semplice.
antipasto. That's wine vinegar.
White vinegar.
Laura then puts the pork cheek in the cold pan with the vinegar. After covering the pork with sage, Laura puts it on a low heat covered and lets it steep.
You have to consider 100 grams per person.
After adding the water, again by eye, Laura kneads the dough, then rolls it out to a little less than 1/8 of an inch thick, and then slices the dough in strips about 1/2 inch wide. Laura then takes a short section of the strip and simply rolls it into a round pasta shape. For some reason, this is a lot more complicated than Laura makes it look.
It's all there.
Sono molto
Who knows what this
contenta.
kitchen does not have? Is it
Time to cook the pasta. Come on, Mike, something bigger. Everything's ready, just waiting on the pasta.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
That's a work of art. Questa è
This is
l'opera
a
d'arte,
work
non
of
una
art.
scultura in piazza.
Definitely.
Here, I'll set them for you. Look at that.
It's not for you, it's for him.
More.
Yes.
Because you're
No,
paying
guarda
for
le
it.
cose che adoperiamo noi. Senti che profumo. Questo mi ricorda mio padre.
Sì.
E il grassolo l'ho visto perché ci abbiamo messo giusto per
That's
non
plenty for
attaccare.
me.
Per lei è più che sufficiente.
Small serving.
Mettiamo la salvia si mangia.
Come si chiama quel cantante famoso che c'ha casa in Umbria? Sting?
Sting.
Bisogna
sciacquare.
Bring some extra glasses,
Here, do this.
Questo è il mio poco poco perché
Sì.
Oh,
basta
Mike.
quando
appunto
ci
c'è
ammazza.
fermo.
Mike, you do want to taste this. You can put it in there.
I'll just have a sip of yours.
That's all, folks. Thanks for watching. There's more of Laura's cooking to come at a later date. Stay tuned. And as usual, folks, don't forget to subscribe. Happy cooking!